Kruskals algorithm is very simple to use. We first of all start with a copy of each of the vertices. Then we consider each of the arcs in increasing size. So we start off with our smallest. In this graph, the smallest is 3. So we reproduce that arc into our spanning tree. We then consider the next smallest. We have 2 that are of size 4, and both of these can be included. Our next smallest is a 5. We can include that one. But when we come to our 6s, we see that we have 2 of them, and one of them would create a cycle. We're not allowed to have cycles in a tree, so this one is not allowed. It would simply create a cycle between vertices D, E, and H with the arcs that we've already got included. So we don't allow that one. The other arc of size 6 is perfectly fine, so we'll include that. Our next arc is of size 8. That doesn't make a cycle, so we can include that one. The next largest is of size 9, but again this one would create a cycle in our spanning tree between A, B, and G. It's not allowed, and so we don't include that one. The next largest is of size 12, and we can include that one. We can stop because all of our vertices are connected, and we have our minimum spanning tree, and we're done.